In the world of running an automation program, your people are your powerhouse. The people and skills dimension isn't just about training. It's about building and nurturing the talent that will drive your program forward and help your organization embrace the future of work. Why is this dimension essential? Because technology alone cannot lead to success. You need the right mix of technical expertise, business knowledge, and leadership skills to identify opportunities, develop solutions, and lead adoption of AI-powered automation across your enterprise. For new programs, this dimension helps establish core team roles and capabilities. You'll learn how to identify the roles necessary to meet your program goals. Then you'll learn how to develop fundamental automation skills in your team while creating basic training programs that build confidence and competence. As your program matures, you'll implement comprehensive skill development frameworks and certification programs. You'll design scalable team structures that balance specialization with flexibility, enabling your program to take on more complex AI-driven initiatives. And when you're ready to scale, this dimension guides you in creating an enterprise-wide talent ecosystem with advanced specializations. You'll develop dynamic skill management approaches that help your organization stay ahead of evolving technology trends while fostering innovation at every level. The result? A skilled, adaptable workforce that evolves with your program's ambitions, from your first automation developers to a diverse community of automation and AI experts transforming your organization. Ready to build the team that powers your automation success? Let's explore how this dimension can help you develop and retain the talent you need at every stage.